50%.
Have that time.
Gear up.
The A10 with the gear up, it's easy for me to.
Okay, I gotta adjust that. Okay, coming around, landing.
Okay. From the left.
Yes, from the left.
Almost too far. Lost
yeah,
already.
Way out there. I wish there's a way to improve the resolution on my computer for flying the real flight.
Even with better resolution, it's hard.
Time
Yeah.
remaining 2 minutes.
A10 especially gets up there. Of course, I got the binocular on, but
That was more beautiful.
I wish I could
It looked like me.
airplane like I'm flying the field.
Yeah, I gotta put down elevator on flat.
Landing from the left.
Yep,
It
correct.
doesn't put you out too much. Make your landing no flap.
Oh, I'm definitely going to. I'm not a flat flyer, especially if it's crosswinds like today. I'm not definitely going to do that.
Yeah.
Nice. Good.
I saw one on YouTube. I saw a guy
Good. Nice.
crash his A10 on landing. He must have stalled it because it flopped down all at once. And
Yeah.
the nose gear out there.
Especially for me with flaps is when I've had.
1 minute.
Okay, landing.
Gear down. 20 seconds.
Okay.
Remember that gear thing. You like to do that.
50%.
Oh yeah, I like to blind myself.
Yeah.
9,
No.
8,
I'll just come in that
7,
way usually.
0.
Okay, now preferably I'd rather be right about the tree line before I actually make my approach, but
25%. 5, 4,
Gearing
3,
in the trees.
2, 0. 25%. 0.
I think I want it.
Think you want it?
that was a little loud. All right, JD, this will be my first ordinance in a while. Okay, crosswind though, so I'm not too happy about. Yeah, every so often.
25%. 0. 50%.
I think I got a better chance of knocking that 15
Gear up.
to a kamikaze thing.
50%.
See, that's 50%.
Time remaining 50%.
To the right.
0.
You guys are telling off on yourself.
25%. 50%. 50%. 50%.
That noise. Like a duck to me.
Split S. Roll.
I don't know what to do that for.
Somebody's over here somewhere.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay.
Oh, I'm beginning to believe it. All right, let's see. Let me see who's out there flying.
All of us.
Johnny and Ray.
Oh shit. J and R.
Bend it to the side.
Do you have a
Gear down. 0.
Too high, but
Yeah, you're probably okay.
okay, keep it above the tree line.
25%.
Slowed it down enough. Yeah.
20 seconds.
Whoa.
0. Brake full with
Oh yeah, I could write a book on all the times I've done it. Okay.
Thinking you're gonna make the runway and all of a sudden.
throttle cut on.
You gotta get in the air to shoot it out.
Yeah, that distance landing gear I built myself. The wire's not strong.
Yeah, that was scary. A little bit of grass, but it's okay.
50%.
What the hell?
Sensitive?
It got really sensitive all of a sudden, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's the way my T18 does.
%. 25, 50% time remaining 2 minutes.
That's 6 flights.
20, 50%. 0.
Well, I like this radio.
25, 50%. One minute.
Converted.
Nope, just no.
Landing flaps.
There he goes.
25%. 0.
Beautiful. Nice, nice. Nice. Oh, nice thinking there. Wow.
50%. Gear up. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. %. 1 minute. 20 sec 50%. 0. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 25%.
It's that crosswind too that's blowing it kind of cocky, isn't it?
Landing.
Ooh.
Problem is I always couldn't bounce. Nice.
Got the distance for an airplane to fly. I brought it up.
Good. This should get one more flight.
Which is,
Going
for
around.
me, that's like...
Good call.
Going around.
Good call.
Yeah, this thing's got so much heat.
You can't get over to the grass.
Yeah, I was going to tell you that. Ooh.
Well,
There you go. Let her run out.
There you go. Good one.
Perfect.
Well done. Well done.